Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the latest addition to our equipment list, and that's a new radio wireless microphone system. We've tried several in the past with varied degrees of success and quality. So basically I was looking for a good system at a good price that could be used with all my cameras, so including my DSLR, the main video camera, and of course the new GoPro 10. What I've done, I found the GoDox M1. This also comes in another kit called the M2, and the only difference being that the M1 has one transmitter system and the M2 has two. But we've gone for the M1. It comes with one transmitter, as I say, and its retails around about £120. I've already been out in the field with it and tested it. Well impressed with the results. The quality is superb, and if you want a demonstration of the quality, you're listening to it right now. I'm actually using the microphone now. If I just show you here. So basically this is the lapel microphone, which we've got clipped on here, and it comes with the transmitter and the receiver, which is almost identical, but at the moment that's connected to the GoPro, so I'll show you that in a second. The beautiful thing about these is the compact size. They weigh less than 30 grams, about 27 grams each. Ultra compact, and they're 50 millimeters by 40 millimeters and only 14 millimeters thick. So really good lightweight units. They feel good, they look good. They've got a great LCD display on there. Gives you all the information you need. Most important thing, I think, is the level meter, so it's showing you there the level of the audio. Also has a gain control, so you can actually turn it up a little bit. Now these work on 2.4 gigahertz wireless, but they also utilize channel hopping, so that does cut down a lot of interference. You can also have two microphone inputs, so you could use two people speaking, things like that. They have a built-in battery, which is supposedly lasting around about 6 hours, and it's charged just by a USB-C socket there. So out of the box, we have the transmitter and the receiver. We've also got an extra microphone cover there if you want to use the built-in microphone, which again I'll show you in a second. This just clips on the top of the box, and it has the wind jammer on there. You get two cables, and they're both 3.5mm jacks. And one is for DSLR cameras, and the other one is a TRRS cable, basically for smartphones and mobiles, and that's the red one. I didn't read the instructions to start with, and I connected the red one to my GoPro and wondered why I wasn't getting any audio. Then realised it's the alternative cable I need, the black one. So again, that's going to be trial and error for some people, but you get there in the end. A handy little feature about this unit is that not only does it have a little clip on the back, so it'll clip to basically anything, but that clip is also designed to be the same size as a cold shoe attachment. So on a DSLR it just literally fits on the top there. Obviously it's just perfect in every way. And another thing that you might not realise is in the box there are a couple of little metal discs, and when I first got these I had no idea what they were for. On a bit of research you'll find that the back of the transmitter and receiver are magnetic, and these little discs stick like that. So what you could do is if the situation arises with this part, could go on your jumper or your shirt, little disc inside, and therefore you have a magnetic fitting. So that's really quite a nice useful feature. The microphone comes with the normal foam top on it, like so, but it also has, again, you can put a wind cheater on just like this for outdoor situations. Now the range on this is supposedly around about 50 meters line of sight, and I've tested it to about 30 to 40, and I had no problems whatsoever, no dropout. But obviously that is line of sight. It could be different if you've got a lot of buildings or something in between you. So 50 meters is more than adequate for most things, particularly like the USB-C charging, so we can charge them on the go. And I love the fact that it's got a really good display and shows you everything, including the battery level and things like that. So yeah, really good microphone system. Very happy with it, very happy with the quality. Sounds great. So I'll just give you a guided tour now of the receiver part. So the receiver part at the moment is connected to the GoPro. Just by the 3.5mm cable, and again it's exactly the same size and weight as the transmitter. It has the same fitting on the back, the magnetic and the clip, and on the top of there is a very useful headphone socket, again 3.5mm jack, so you can actually monitor the sound as you're recording it. On the microphone part, or the transmitter, we've got a 3.5mm jack in. That can be used for any microphone, including the lapel that I'm wearing now. And you've got the power on off switch, and then you've got your gain switch on there as well. So yeah, absolutely wonderful, really good design, and I'm sure that this will do the job absolutely perfectly.